Alright, so today is March 27th, a Friday. Just getting to the farm, unloading our supplies. We have 2 coolers full of water. Morning, Ima. Ima's coming to work. We bought a battery for the 5065. We're going to try to get that running because that hasn't ran for a while. It ran out of fuel, we think, or actually maybe it could be a fuel pump. We'll find out here later today. We have the seed. This is our seed. Miriam will not let us help. She was pushing Richard out of the way yesterday when we were unloading things, so you don't argue with Miriam. She enjoys working, does a great job of cooking for us when we're at the farm. So here's our latest hybrid. Biometrics. Is there a day on that? BM 270.
18.5 kg. They say it'll plant 2.5 acres.
Oh. Let's see how many seeds are in there. Not necessarily, but we're gonna plant around 20. I think we said about 21,000 average, so that should go good. Here's our equipment yard. There's a MX140, the disc, small plowing disc, a couple other lighter discs. We've got a blade for leveling roads. Cultivators we have there. Here's the field cultivator. I guess you call those back the greens row crops. These are field cultivators. Rotary hoe. One here. Parts behind. Oh, there's the sprayers. Yeah. Three-point sprayer we might try to use. We're trying to potentially get some stuff going. Out in the field and see a dust devil. It is dry. Talking maybe rain this afternoon. Our wagons. Parker wagons, we have 5 of them. All good. That earlier video of the grain setup, the poultry farmers have bought that, so that's an active grain setup again now, and they will buy grain. So in the major season, we could take our grain there if it's wet, and take it there. They would buy it wet and dry it, so we wouldn't have to try to dry it here on the slab or something. So lots of options. We just got the planter hook back up to the 5075, and now they are unhooking the disc, and they're going to go on and hook it onto the digger. So planter worked well yesterday. Hopefully it continues to run well, and looks good. So we do have it set. Here's the settings. Planter works out real good. About 21,000. Just like at home, we're picking rocks and sticks. Some of the old root balls and stuff are coming up, so we're just picking up things that need to be picked up. We're finishing up planting maize today. We have about 2 acres to go. We got that much land work. We think we have it dialed in pretty good. Maybe rain this afternoon. We're praying that it will rain. Forecast is 70% after 4, so we'll see how that goes. Got T and Ema and James been helping picking up sticks and things, so it's been going well. It's been good.
So they always talk about 50-degree soil temperature in the US. It's a good time to start planting corn anyway. So I took our thermometer that I had in the one container. About a half hour ago it said, I think it was 106 or 108 in the container. Brought it out here, dug a little hole, buried it in the dirt, soil. I realize it's 12:30 in the afternoon and it's still showing 108 degrees. Kind of hard to see that on there. 106, something like that. Soil's real dry, so you get pretty rapid temperature moving into the soil. It's 95 degrees, 71 dew point, and 103 heat index, according to our weather station. It's supposed to rain tonight, so hopefully it will. Be great to have it. Andy's finishing up planting the last little bit. I'm having some lunch. It's rice with a tomato, garlic sauce, a little bit of fried egg, and these big old huge eggs. They've been double yolks. Pretty much our lunch most every day. It's just the right amount on a hot day. You don't want to eat a whole lot. It's really good.
All right, today's still the 27th of March. We're working on the 5065. And
What's wrong?
we can't get fuel to the injectors. So we slowly brought the fuel around. We got it to the fuel pump, and we got it to the pump, and we got it inside the pump. Now we're hoping that we got the injector lines cracked. We're hoping that they'll start spitting here, telling us that we have fuel that far. So
We've got 2 out of the 3 you can reach.
yeah, cracked. So that
Cracked, so we got fuel. We can't get to the 3rd one, but
yeah, so
we don't get smoke or any partial start.
need a can of ether. Help her a little bit. So we'll keep fiddling a little bit. We don't want to take the starter out or run the battery down. We're just trying it real easy. So
Well, the battery. We have a new battery today. What was the
900 CD,
900, which would
like 95.
80 some.
Yeah, yep,
Yep.
85.
So it's about almost 11 to 1. So
Yep.
80, 82, something like that.
And it works.
Yeah, it's a 720 amp
Yep.
cold
CCA.
CCA.
Yep.
Good battery. Okay.
Yep, so good. All right. All right, so we diagnose things through YouTube. AI told us to check the fuse, and that's what it was. We tried one fuse that was bad and didn't get anywhere. We tried another one and it took off. So we think we got her fixed. Now we got another tractor we can use. So that's good.
Good.
Productive day.
So we got the tractor to start. Went to back it out of the shed. And as you can tell by a chain and another tractor backed up to it, we had to pull it. What are you doing?
Check out the AI again. See what they have to say. So far we're batting 1,000 for
right.
the day, so we gotta keep looking. As long as we have internet. Van, what's happening behind you?
Well, Ollie, what's the forecast? It's gonna rain. It's they've been saying after 4 o'clock it was 70, then it got up to 80%. So there's some that's the east. There's some to the south.
Yeah,
So if we could get a nice slow half inch.
Yeah, that'd be perfect. Must be wind there. That's all dust.
That's dust to the east there.
Yeah, so something's coming. So it's time to go. So Richard moves. We can run
Quarter
the.
to 5.
Yep, Richard moves and run the red one in, and
Yep.
I think keys are still in it. So,
Yeah.
but I'm ready to go. So
You got a fishing pole or a golf club I can hold up?
here we go on this flat ground. So we got options for spraying tomorrow if we get that far. Spray with that tractor. This tractor doesn't move, but we're going to research it tonight. We think it's a switch. Joe at Midwest, John Deere, and Plainview helped diagnose what was wrong with this. It's broken wire in one of the sensors, so we got to just do some searching on that, checking it, a broken wire, just a bad connection. And we got this tractor, but the 3-point doesn't work on it. It doesn't lower, so we may have to just let the oil out of the hydraulic cylinders for the 3-point, get it to the level we want, and go from there. So we'll get it figured out tomorrow if we have a chance. If you look now, the storm is coming because you see the dust picking up in the distance. In a few minutes, it will get windy, so we're gonna skedaddle. access. Typically this is where the rain comes from, that direction. We do have some over this way. So yeah, we're kind of excited. Tetchy was right. You see 4 o'clock, it's about 45 minutes behind, but it's good. But it's definitely blowing. So we are all, if Van doesn't show up, we're gonna leave him. So we are heading out. Windy so far. We're hoping to get some rain out of it. And there's a chance of rain the next week almost, so hopefully we'll get something. There you go, it's raining. You can see it, there's about 6 dots in the windshield, which is good, it's a start. Alright, we're getting rain now on the way back to Necronza. We're hoping and praying that we get this rain at the farm. Just kind of a short shot of rain, but it is raining. So it is about 5:45. We're at the apartment. We got back just before the rain started. Raining pretty good. One of the first big rains we've had coming off of the dry season. So we're hoping to get some of this rain at the farm. When we got here, it still had rain at the farm. We got the weather station. So hoping tonight, tomorrow, we'll have some rain. We got everything planned if we wanted to. But definitely getting a good rain here will help things because it's been dry.